In this video, we listed the 5 best action camera on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. SJCAM SJ11 Active Action Camera. The SJCAM SJ11 Active is a versatile action camera designed for sports and outdoor activities, offering impressive features such as 4K video resolution at 30 frames per second, a 2.3-inch touchscreen, and a wide 155 degrees angle lens. With a waterproof capability of up to 30 meters and a robust battery capacity of 1,300 mAh, this camera is ideal for extreme sports, diving, and other outdoor adventures. It supports various languages, including English, Spanish, and French, and features optical image stabilization, Wi-Fi connectivity, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, and Bluetooth support for easy sharing and remote control. The camera also includes a built-in microphone, various video modes, and live streaming capabilities, making it a suitable choice for both beginners and semi-professionals. Compact and lightweight, weighing under 100 grams, the SJ11 Active is a reliable option for capturing high-quality footage in diverse environments. Number 2. CERASTES V11 Action Camera. The CERASTES V11 is a high-performance sports and action camera designed for adventurous users, featuring a maximum video resolution of 4K, 5K and recording capabilities in MP4 and MOV formats. This camera is equipped with a 1/3-inch image sensor and delivers approximately 48 MP in effective megapixels, along with electronic image stabilization for smoother footage. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity and allows for remote control operation, making it versatile for capturing sports activities. The V11 is waterproof up to 5 meters, can operate in temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to +55 degrees Celsius, and is designed with a 2 to 3-inch touchscreen display for user-friendly navigation. Additionally, it has an 8x zoom capability, a battery capacity of 1,200 mAh, is compatible with microSD, TF memory cards up to 128 GB, and boasts a wide-angle lens of 170 degrees. The camera does not support HDMI output, NFC, or Bluetooth, but it is packaged with a user manual detailing operational procedures, care instructions, and safety precautions to ensure longevity and prevent damage during use. Overall, the CERASTES V11 is a robust option for those seeking to document their high-energy pursuits with clarity and ease. Number 3. SJCAM C200 Action Camera. The SJCAM C200 is a versatile sports and action video camera designed for various outdoor activities, including extreme sports and diving. With a maximum video resolution of 2880 by 2160 at 24 frames per second, it supports multiple video formats, including MP4, and features optical image stabilization for smooth footage. The camera is equipped with a 1-inch display, built-in microphone, and supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity for easy sharing and remote control via an app or remote controller. It boasts a waterproof design, allowing for depths of up to 40 meters with a case, and has a wide-angle lens with a 155 degrees field of view. The C200 supports microSD cards up to 128 GB and has a 1,200 mAh removable battery, providing a runtime of up to 180 minutes. Weighing under 100 g and featuring a compact design, this camera is ideal for both beginners and semi-professionals looking to capture high-quality videos and photos in various environments. Number 4. AUSEK S81 TRW Action Camera. The AUSEK S81 TRW Action Camera is a high-performance device designed for capturing stunning video and photo content in various environments, particularly suited for sports and outdoor activities. With impressive features such as 5K video recording at 30 frames per second, 48 MP photo resolution, and electronic image stabilization, EIS, it ensures smooth and clear footage even during dynamic movements. The camera is equipped with a dual IPS color screen for easy framing, a 170 degrees wide-angle lens for expansive views, and a waterproof design that allows for underwater use up to 40 meters. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity for effortless sharing via the iSmart DV app and includes a remote control for convenient operation. Additionally, the S81TRW offers multiple language support and customizable bundles with optional accessories, making it a versatile choice for vloggers, adventurers, and casual users alike. With its compact size and lightweight build, the AUSEK S81TRW is an ideal companion for anyone looking to document their experiences in high quality. Number 5. Insta360 Go3S Action Camera. The Insta360 Go3S is a compact and versatile action camera designed for outdoor sports, home use, and underwater activities, boasting impressive specifications that cater to various filming needs. With a maximum video resolution of 4K, 3840 by 2160, and a frame rate of up to 200 frames per second, it offers enhanced image quality and stability through dual image stabilization. The camera features a 180 degrees wide-angle lens, a maximum aperture of f2.2, and supports both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless sharing and remote control functionality. It operates effectively in a temperature range of -20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius and is waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters. The Go3S is available in two color options, black and white, and storage capacities, 64 GB and 128 GB, with a built-in memory size of 128 GB. Notably, it includes a touch-screen display, a built-in microphone, and various accessories in the standard bundle, making it user-friendly and ready for immediate use. The camera is compatible with the previous Go3 Action Pod, ensuring continuity for existing users looking to upgrade. With its lightweight design and high-performance features, the Insta360 Go3S is ideal for capturing dynamic moments in high resolution.